तेलंगाना में 72वां मिस वर्ल्ड मुकाबला जारी है। हैदराबाद के रायदुर्गम टी हब में कॉन्टिनेंटल फाइनल्स आज और कल मुनक़िद हो रहे हैं। इस ज़िम्न में हसीनाओं ने आज टी हब का दौरा किया। इसके एक हिस्से के तौर पर अमेरिका, अफ्रीका, यूरोप और एशिया ओशियाना क्लस्टर से मौजू के लिहाज से इंतखाब शुरू हो गया है। पीर को मुनक़िद होने वाले मुकाबले के दूसरे राउंड में 48 अफराद को मुंतखब किया गया है। तेलंगाना में मिस वर्ल्ड के मुकाबलों के इनेकाद से रियासत को बैनुल-अक़वामी सतह पर पहचान मिल रही है और सकाफती और सियाहत के शोबों को फ़रोग़ भी मिल रहा है।
And hello world. Thank you for the privilege to be able to stand before you today. My name is Wenaralisha Ramna. I am a 22-year-old biomedical engineer graduate, a model, and I'm proudly representing my beautiful paradise island of Mauritius. But beyond these titles, I am a daughter, I am a sister, and someone who believes deeply in power of compassion to create lasting change. Ever since I was a little girl, I've carried 3 big dreams in my heart. And I'm so ever grateful to my parents, my family, and the favor of God upon my life to help me fulfill these dreams. First, I dreamed of becoming a model, to challenge beauty standards that once told me that girls who looked like me were not enough. Then, I dreamed of standing on the Miss World stage, representing my country. And today, I carry another dream with me, to become a doctor, so I can heal and serve communities with passion. But as I pursued my dreams, I began to understand something deeply, that I wasn't the only one dreaming. In every corner of Mauritius, there are children with dreams just as bold as mine. Whether it's a child with special needs, a child who doesn't have their family by their side, or a child who lacks the tools or opportunities to succeed, they all have one thing in common. They dare to dream. But far too often, those dreams are held back, not by the child's ability, but by society's limitations. That's what inspired my Beauty with a Purpose project, Bridges of Ability. Growing up around my family's business, which supports young adults with mental health issues and learning disabilities, I witnessed their world. One where potential shines brightly, but often goes unnoticed. I saw young people with incredible talent and spirit, yet isolated because they learn or communicate differently.